Hello and welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub. And in our today's class, we will learn something new about, or I must say, some new topic, which is known as logarithm. There are many subtopics in logarithm, and today we will try to solve many parts and many I must say many parts we will try to cover out in logarithm, and it is a very big exercise. So we will take a start from logarithm by its definition. So what the definition of a logarithm says: a logarithm is defined as the power to which numbers must be raised to get some other values, or it is the most convenient method to express the large numbers. What the logarithm definition means about? It says that the power which number must be raised means the power of the number which is being raised, which is being calculated to get some other value, and it is the most convenient method. That it is a very suitable or very stable method to express large numbers like 36, 144, 196. These type of numbers are used in logarithm. So we will take a start from the exponents and logarithm. That we exponents and logarithm, the difference between them. So in exponents, the number of the power which is raised is to get the large number. This is the power square. This is the number, and it is the other value to raise its power to get the another number. So 6 square equal to 36. So we can write in the logarithm form, which means log 6 36 equal to 2, means that log 6 the base will be 6, and the number which is written after the equal to is known as the coefficient equal to 2. The power will be written separately. So log 36 equal to 2, and the same goes for 10 square equal to 100. So log 10 100 equal to 2. Same goes for 3 cube equal to 27. So log 3 27 equal to 3. And the letters b power y equal to a means log b a equal to y. It is written that a, b and y. The a, b and y are known as real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are the any numbers without the decimal. So, okay, so a, b, y are known as the real numbers. The real numbers like 6, 10, 2, 36, 100. So now we will take a start from the exercise 6.2. In your book of mathematics, in your book of mathematics of grade I think yes, of grade 9, the exercise 6.2, question number 1 and question number 1, 2 and 3 we will make sure that we will complete in our today's class. So the exercise 6.2 says convert from exponential form to logarithmic form. These are known as exponential form, and these values or these logarithmic forms are known as logarithm form. So the question number 1 of part A says 4 cube equal to 64. So we will write in the logarithmic form, and the log 64 equal to 3. So moving on to second part of this question, 5 cube equal to 125. So log 5 125 equal to 3. So this is how we will go through the question. So the last part of this question says 2 power minus 5 equal to 1 over 32. So log 2, the exponential will be 1 over 32 equal to minus 5. So we are now done from our first question. So the second question says convert from logarithmic form to exponential form. So the first part says how you notice that in our previous question, we are converting from exponential form to logarithmic form. So in our this question, we will try to solve from logarithmic form to exponential form. So the first part, A part says log 2 4 equal to 2. So the 2 power 2 equal to 4, because the table that is drawn of the exponents and logarithm, because the 6 power 2 equal to 36. This type of question is given here. So we are converting to exponents. Log 636 equal to 2 means the 6 power square equal to 36. So the same rule will be applied over here. 2 square equal to 4. So the second part says log 5 1 equal to 0. 5 power 0 is always equal to 1. Remember that in our previous classes, we studied the indices, the rules of indices, which that any power, if the power is 0 on any number, whether it is coefficients or any real numbers or integers, the answer is always equal to 1. Like over here, 5 power 0 is equal to 1. This is the rule. So log 8, so the third part says log 8 2 equal to 1 over 3. So 8 power 1 over 3 equal to 2. So this is how we will go through the second question. I am hoping that you have understand today's class till right up till here. If any queries, so you can ask from the comments. So the question number 3 is very similar to question number 2, because we are also converting into exponential form, but we are first converting into exponential form and then solving for the variable or the unknown value, which is or x or any other letter. So the third part of first part says log 2 x equal to 4. So the 2 power 4 equal to x as usually, and 2 power 4 is equal to 16. 2 times 4, not 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is equal to 16. So x equal to 16. We are always taking out the value because the question says demand solve, as usually solve. So the second part says log 3x equal to 2. So the 3 square equal to x, first we converted into exponential form, and then taking out the value, which is x equal to 9. So the last part says or demands that log x 144 equal to 2, x square equal to 144. And when this type of question is in front of you, so don't need to worry, because x square equal to 44, x has a power of square, and it's a variable, no coefficient. If they are coefficient, so the previous question that is being done is similar, but this is a different question and demand different. X square equal to 144, the power of the square power is on the variable known as x. So when we are executing, or when we are executing this square from the variable x, so we will take the under root, which is known as square root. So square root of x square equal to square root of 144, because if one side we are taking a square root, so on the other hand side we will also always take a square root. So when the square will be cut, will be power of square, which is 1 over 2, and when we are left for x equal to plus minus 12. Plus minus 12 means, what is the logic behind it? I will tell you. The logic behind is that when we will take the square root of any number, whether it is 36, 47, or any other number, whether it is a huge number like 400 or 800. So don't need to worry. The square of the square root is always written as plus minus 12. Like the square root of 144 is equal to 12, and the sign would be always plus minus, because the square root, when it is executing or executing or given off, so the signs will be always of plus minus. So x equal to plus minus 12. So I hope that you have till today's class you have understood our today's class, and don't need to worry. We will take a start from tomorrow's class. After tomorrow I will join you, and we will take a start from 6.3 till 6.5. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and view our channel to be updated for the other next videos. And that important thing that I want to tell you, we will we will complete we will do not complete the whole exercise, because they are very lengthy questions. Means that they start from question number 1 and end till question number 11. So we will try to solve the important parts and the major parts. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and view our channel for updated videos. Thank you.